and welcome. My name is Amelia, and I will be your host of the tour of Disney's one-bedroom villa at the Grand Californian Hotel and Spa in Disneyland, California. Come on in. When we first walk into our amazing new room, we will see a great sitting room, complete with a pull-out couch, a nice chair, coffee table, and a huge flat-screen TV. We also have a breakfast table that can sit a family of 6 or more. We also have this nice kitchen island and a kitchen which also includes a dishwasher, a stove, a microwave, an oven, a toaster, and a coffee maker, as well as a fridge and freezer. Now, let's take a look at the sitting room. This amazing sitting room also includes a large pull-down bed for your little ones. Now, let's head on over to the first of our 2 bathrooms that this hotel room includes. Let's go. In our first bathroom, we just see the simple walk-in shower, toilet, and a sink. This bathroom also includes 3 large towels for drying off. Next, we visit the bedroom. When you first walk into the bedroom, you see our second bathroom. Our second bathroom includes a larger walk-in shower and a private toilet room. It also includes a large jacuzzi bathtub, which you can close off from the other side. Speaking of the other side, let's head on over to the bedroom. In the bedroom, you see a large king-size bed complete with another large flat-screen TV. You also get a nice bench for sitting and a small desk. Well, next we see our beautiful balcony. In our room, we overlook Disney's Grand Californian Park. In here, we also have a stacked washer and dryer, so you don't have to wait till you get home to do your laundry. It's all included. This is just one of the many perks you get when you stay in Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed your tour of Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa one-bedroom villa. Thank you.